I don't know where to start, but today has been a day, honey. But we are on our way to Chelsea. I love you, girl. We're on our way to her first exhibit. Yeah, we're gonna take y'all along with us. But honey, the morning that we had, only God, only God, only God. So we out. See us when we get there. Peace. We're on the move.